In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the analytics section of your Shopify store efficiently. If you're a store owner looking to better understand your store's performance by using data-driven insights, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide, which will help you make the most out of the analytics tools Shopify provides. First, let's start by going to the Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, direct your mouse to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen, where you will find the Home button. Click on it to ensure you're on the landing page of your Shopify store's admin interface. This is your control center, where you can manage everything from your products to customers, orders, and, most importantly for today, your analytics. Once you're on the home page, take a look to the left sidebar again. As you scroll down, you will notice a section labeled Analytics. Click on Analytics to proceed to one of the most crucial parts of your Shopify store. This area is dedicated to helping you understand what's happening in your store, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your store's performance metrics. It's an invaluable tool for making informed business decisions based on real-time data. Now that you've accessed the Analytics section, let's move on to the next step, which is accessing the reports. In the upper section of your Analytics dashboard, you'll see a Reports tab. Click on it. This will open a new window that displays various reports you can generate. These reports can include anything from sales data, acquisition reports to inventory insights, and much more. They are designed to help you track specific metrics that can influence your store's success. Once you've clicked on Reports, you'll find several options tailored to your needs. Whether you want to delve into your sales reports to see what products are doing well, or perhaps you need to get a handle on your marketing efforts with the acquisition reports, all the necessary information is at your fingertips. A tip here: take your time to familiarize yourself with each report type. Understanding the different types of reports will empower you to make data-driven decisions that can improve your store's performance and efficiency. Navigating through Shopify's Analytics section doesn't have to be overwhelming. By breaking it down into these simple steps, you can easily familiarize yourself with this feature and start leveraging valuable insights for your business. Remember, consistent monitoring and analysis of your data can lead to more strategic decisions and contribute to your overall success on Shopify. So, take these steps, dive into the data, and watch your store thrive.